Namaste. My name is Swami Ramananda. I'm a certified yoga therapist. I've been teaching yoga for over 40 years, but in the last 25 years, I've been guiding individuals and groups of people in the therapeutic use of integral yoga to manage stress and to address many of the physical conditions and emotional struggles that we experience as human beings. These ways that we suffer reverberate through all the levels of our being: the physical body, the energy body, the heart and emotions, and the intellect. And ultimately, they impact our behavior, the choices we make, our relationships. What I especially appreciate about integral yoga therapy is that it gives us tools to bring healing to all the levels of our being, and ultimately to experience this deep sense of connection and contentment that is our true nature. So if this interests you, think of coming to the Integral Yoga Therapy virtual open house to find out more about this method of yoga therapy. Om Shanti.